Good morning, students. Children, today we are going to learn IT skills. Lesson number 3, Keyboard Special Keys. See children, in the previous session you have learnt information about some special keys that are alphabet keys, number keys, enter keys, caps lock key and space bar. In today's session, we are going to learn remaining part of this lesson. Are you ready? Okay. Backspace key. The backspace key is like an eraser. It is used to erase the mistakes made while typing. It erases anything that is on the left side of the cursor. Delete key. The delete key is also used to erase text. It erases anything that is on the right side of the cursor. Shift keys. A keyboard usually has keys marked with two symbols, one below the other. When we press 1, we can see the number 1 displayed on the monitor. To type an exclamation mark, we need to press 1 along with the special key Shift. A keyboard has two Shift keys. Control key. A special key marked Control is called the control key. It is always used in combination with other keys to do certain tasks. For example, pressing Ctrl and S keys together saves the file in Notepad or TouchPaint. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor through the text typed. Press left arrow to move the cursor to the left. Press up arrow to move the cursor to the line above. Press down arrow to move the cursor to the line below. Press right arrow to move the cursor to the right. Copy and paste the selected text. To copy the text selected, press Ctrl and C together. Now, use the arrow keys or the mouse to place the cursor at the location where the text is to be moved. Press Ctrl and V together. A copy of the text will be pasted here. When we copy and paste text, it is present both in the original and the new location. Cut and paste the selected text. To move the text selected, press Ctrl and X together. Now, use the arrow keys or the mouse to place the cursor at the location where the text is to be copied. Press Ctrl and V together. The text is now moved. When we move text, it is deleted from its original location and move to the new location. The function of moving text is commonly called cut and paste. Delete the selected text. We can delete the selected text by pressing delete or backspace. Children, in this session, you have learned a keyboard has keys marked with the alphabet, numbers, and symbols. Shift and Control keys are used in combination with other keys. The delete key is used to delete characters on the right of the cursor. The backspace key is used to delete characters on the left side of the cursor. Children, did you understand? Okay. You also read this lesson at home. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye.